Previously, we have discussed about the muscles of the forearm, and now we will discuss about the arteries mean blood supply of the forearms. So, forearm is supplied by the two branches of the brachial artery, which are radial artery and ulnar artery. So, brachial artery in the region of the cubital fossa divides into two branches, mean radial artery and ulnar artery. Now we will discuss about the radial artery and ulnar artery, their origin, course, termination, and also the branches of each arteries. So the radial artery is the smaller terminal branch of the brachial artery, which runs from the cubital fossa to the wrist joints. Now we will discuss the branches which arises from the radial artery. So there are totally 5 branches which arises from the radial artery. Number 1, radial recurrent artery. This is the radial recurrent artery which arises just below the level of the elbow and runs upward and make anastomosis with the radial collateral artery. This is the radial collateral artery. Okay, and number 2, palmar carpal branch. Palmar carpal branch arises just near the lower border of the pronator quadratus muscle and anastomosis with the palmar carpal branches of the ulnar artery to form the cruciform anastomosis. So, the palmar carpal branch form the cruciform anastomosis with the palmar carpal branch of the ulnar artery. And number 3 is the dorsal carpal branch. This dorsal carpal branch form the dorsal carpal arch. This is the dorsal carpal arch. And number 4 is the superficial palmar branches. These are the superficial palmar branches and form the superficial palmar arch. So this is the superficial palmar arch. And number 5 is the muscular branches. Muscular branches splice the lateral muscles of the forearm. So these are the total 5 branches which arises from the radial artery. Now we will discuss about the ulnar artery. Ulnar artery is also the terminal branch of the brachial artery which starts from the cubital fossa and enter into the palm by passing superficial to the flexor retina column. Now we will discuss the branches of the ulnar artery. So there are total 4 branches which arises from the ulnar artery. Number 1, anterior and posterior ulnar recurrent arteries. So these are the anterior and posterior ulnar recurrent arteries. The anterior ulnar recurrent arteries mean the short branch anastomosis with the inferior ulnar collateral artery, and the posterior ulnar recurrent artery, which is the larger branch and anastomosis with the superior ulnar collateral artery. Okay, and number 2 is the common introitious artery. Common introitious artery further divided into 2 branches, mean into anterior and posterior introitious artery. So this is the anterior introitious artery and this is the posterior introitious artery. ये जो इंट्रोशियस आर्टरी है इसको हम इंट्रोशियस इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि ये 2 बोन्स के दरमियान में प्रेजेंट है, यानी कि रेडियस और अल्ना. ठीक है, इसलिए हम इसको इंट्रोशियस आर्टरी कहते हैं. एंड नंबर 3, मस्कुलर ब्रांचेस. Muscular branches supplies the muscles of the medial side of the forearm. And number 4, palmar carpal branches. Palmar carpal branches of the ulnar artery anastomosis with the palmar carpal branches of the radial artery and form the palmar carpal arch. Okay, so hopefully today you understand the branches of the radial and ulnar artery. See you in next lecture.